Okay, hi all. So today's video we will discuss about the SQL 0 to Hero Day 11 activities, the important SQL group by questions. So group by also very important concept in the SQL. So that is the reason I just prepared this document for you also guys. So we can move on the group by statement. You already aware about group by. So we have a data and there is a table and we need to find the count average, maximum, that kind of thing. We need to use the group by based on a particular row, right? Based on a particular row or particular column. So that kind of situation, definitely we need to use the group by statement. So we will discuss some of the example. So first one, yeah. So I'm hoping here. So I will share these document also with you because once you get this data, it will be more helpful. So I already pasted it here. So we can check. First one is in the person table, how many people are associated with each person type. So that is the one question we want to discuss. So here you can select start from the person. So this is the first one. Select start from the person. So we will get this much of data. So the person we need to take or we need to group the all the table rows into based on the person type. So the person type means and SC, etc. So if you want to see one more thing, I will show you. Select distinct, select distinct, select distinct uh, person type. Okay, person, person daughter, person person, select a distinct. So here you want to see the person type. So I will choose the person type. So then you will get better idea. So I will run this. So these are the item. Different distinct person types are IN, EM, SP, SC, VM, GC. Okay. So based on that, we need to categorize the person contain. I think we need to check how much record is there. Yeah, that's almost 19. So the record means total 19972. So that much of records are available in the person. So at least we want to know how many because once you run this one, we will get total six category, right? Six category. So when you done this one, we need to know how much of item is allocated to each of these person types. So that is the reason we are using the group by. So if you run this query, you can get it. So this is this much of it because IN has most of the data allocated. EM has less amount. SP has very less amount. This one. So this is the one we are getting from this place. So one more question you can ask person type. So I will add one more question. Type and order by their count. Okay. Order by their count. Descending means highest to lowest. So that is the one more question I can add here. So what you write, you can take these things plus one more thing. Person order by person count, yes, descending. So then you will get even better order. You will get so India has IN has the person count highest, then 753. This is the perfect example, right? So this is you can get from here based on our analysis. So I think you hope clear this one. Okay. Then we are moving into the third question. Third question will be using one query, find out how many record. Okay, this one using the one query, find out how many product in the production product dot product table product in the color silver and black. So that is one more condition. So when you check this one, this is the one. So we want to check that start from the production dot product. Then here you can see the color. Okay, lot of colors are there. We want to do one more thing. We want to one more check distinct colors. Okay, distinct colors. Then we will get better idea. Distinct color from this table. So this much of lighting 10 color. Not one is null. Not one to use this. Total 9 colors are available and none. Some of the field has no color. They are not updated those colors. So that's seeing as the null. Okay, so here we can see that select color as the product color and their count because the production dot the product table has lot of data. I think there are also 504 records are there. Okay, this 5004 records available. These 50 records are in the in the 10 colors. That means null also include. Null also include. Okay. So when you done this one, you will get this much. So we want to know how many counts are available in each record. So when you run this query, so I will break this query into two parts. So part one will be, so when you run this query, what will happen? Okay. So one more thing, we don't want to use these because without, here you can see the error. The product color is invalid. Select at least because of the contain either aggregate function or group by clause. So we want to add the color also here, group by color. So I will, the product where group by color based on the group by I'm adding here. So I will get total 504 records are distributed among this one, right? So this is one I got. But our question is the product are available in the silver and black. So we given a where condition where color in the black and silver because we are do these thing in between the from and the group by because the group by statement normally did after the where clause. That is very important. And the order will be order like where, then moving on the where, then color, where, then group by, then we are moving on the order. So this is the normal order by, group by order by. This is the order we need to follow. I think hope you're clear. Then we are moving on the third one. Using the sales to sales order header, how many sales occurred in each salesperson ID between May 1, 2011 and December 31st, 2012. So the order by the result on the sales count in the ascending order. So here also we can use this one. We run this query, then select a salesperson ID count star as the sales counted. So we are giving the alias name from this table. Okay. And where condition where the order is where condition order date in between this one and this one, then group by this salesperson ID, order by, then group by, after the group by, then we are order by descending. So when we get the correct output. So here in this query we are using the count one and the order by between using using the where condition between using and the group by and the order by statement. So each and every statement we are using here. So you need to break down and work on it. Then you will get better idea how it is working. Then the fourth question will be also simple. Select the count of territory ID based on the two tables. So here in the two tables means we want to join. So when you give this kind of item, you want to know the inner join. Okay. Based on the sales customer table and sales territory group by based on the territory ID high to low. So here we can select the two table. Select the star from the sales customer and select star from the sales to the sales territory. Then what I do, select the S6. So here I am giving two names. Sales dot customer as SC. We are giving the alias name for our easy to use. And the sales as the sales territory as SS. Okay. Then we are mapping two documents with the territory ID, but we want to the territory ID here and the count of territory ID here. So I will run this query. You will get total 1 to 10 territory IDs are there. Number of territory ID based on this column, we will also based on the sales customer that also because each customer ID connected to different territory ID. So that also we can get. So based on that one, we will get the total count is distributed into this one. Okay, and the territory ID is descending. So that is the reason why 10, 9, this one. So one more thing we can do, we need this record based on the count highest. Okay, number of territory ID highest. So that time we can do this territory ID as descending. Then we will get, uh, sorry, we will get this much because 4696 is the first territory ID is mapped to the territory ID 4 and next one will be 3665 is mapped into the territory ID 9. Okay. So this is the order we will get. I think hope you're clear. I will share this document once you are comfortable. Okay, once you're comfortable with all these group by, just start doing it. Then you will get more familiar on this. So yeah, guys. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment below. We can check on the next video. Okay, bye.